What if reality is not fixed, immutable, and utterly predictable? What if instead it is profoundly responsive? Imagine a world where the impossible isn't a barrier, but merely a suggestion. A world where the fabric of existence bends to something far more subtle than brute force. Consider the stories that defy logic. A lost wallet reappearing in an impossible location, a terminal illness vanishing without medical explanation, or bizarre coincidences rewriting the course of a life. These aren't just anomalies. They are whispers of a deeper, more malleable reality, hinting at powers we are only beginning to comprehend. For centuries, classical physics painted a picture of a clockwork universe, predictable and deterministic, but beneath this familiar surface lies a realm where those rules crumble. This is the quantum realm, the bedrock of all existence, where particles behave in ways that defy our everyday understanding. Here, certainty gives way to probability, and solidity dissolves into potential. One of its most unsettling concepts is superposition. Imagine a particle existing in a blurry haze of possibilities, simultaneously in multiple states at once. It's like a spinning coin, neither heads nor tails until it lands. These possibilities are described by probability waves, a swirling ocean of potential outcomes. They don't represent a single, definite reality, but a spectrum of what could be. Then comes the observer effect. The act of observation itself forces these probability waves to collapse. The particle, once a cloud of potential, solidifies into a single, definite outcome. Our very attention seems to solidify the ephemeral. Reality, at its most fundamental level, appears to be a modifiable code, and our observation acts as the compiler, bringing it into being. This isn't mere philosophical speculation. For decades, rigorous scientific inquiry has explored the unsettling intersection of mind and matter. At Princeton University, the PEAR Lab, or Princeton Engineering Anomalies Research, conducted groundbreaking experiments for nearly 3 decades. Their focus was on exploring human consciousness and its potential influence on physical systems. Central to their research were random event generators, or REGs. These machines were meticulously designed to produce truly random sequences of data, like a digital coin flip with no discernible pattern. What they discovered was profoundly unsettling. Human intention, even without direct physical interaction, subtly influenced the output of these machines. Participants, simply by intending a certain outcome, could shift the probabilities. The random sequences were no longer entirely random. They bent, ever so slightly, towards the intended direction. It was as if the human mind could whisper commands to the very code of reality, causing it to deviate from its expected path. These results, replicated across numerous studies, suggest that our consciousness is not merely a passive observer. It possesses an active, albeit subtle, capacity to interact with the fundamental randomness of the universe. It hints at a power to bend the code itself. If the quantum realm is a sea of potential, and observation collapses these possibilities, then what role does our consciousness play in shaping our lived experience? This leads us to a core hypothesis. Manifestation is an interface with the quantum code. Our intentions, our focused thoughts, and our deeply held beliefs are not just internal states. They are active forces, acting as the key to collapsing those probability waves into tangible reality. They are the directive that tells the universe which potential to actualize. Consider the theories that propose the mind acts as a quantum antenna. It's not just receiving information, it's actively tuning into the vast ocean of potential that surrounds us. Our consciousness, through focused intent, can resonate with specific probability waves. By doing so, it pulls forth desired outcomes from the quantum field, bringing them into our observable reality. This isn't magic in the traditional sense, but a profound interaction with the fundamental laws of existence. We are not merely passengers in a predetermined universe. We are active participants, co-creators of our reality. Our thoughts and intentions are not just fleeting ideas, they are the very tools we use to sculpt the world around us. This perspective shifts our understanding of personal agency. It suggests that the power to shape our lives, to bring forth what we desire, is not external but intrinsic. It resides within our conscious awareness and our capacity for focused intention. The universe, in this view, is not a cold, indifferent machine. It is a dynamic, responsive canvas, waiting for our conscious input to paint the next stroke of reality. Our role is far more significant than we have ever been taught. Beyond the laboratory, the echoes of this quantum interface resonate in countless real-world experiences. These are the compelling examples of reality glitches, moments when the impossible seems to effortlessly unfold. Think of instantaneous synchronicities, where seemingly unrelated events align with uncanny precision to deliver a specific outcome. A thought about an old friend immediately followed by their unexpected call. A desperate need met by an unforeseen opportunity appearing out of nowhere. These aren't just random chance. They are probability shifts, moments where the universe seems to bend its rules to accommodate a deeper, unseen order. They feel like the universe is winking at us, confirming a hidden connection. Then there are the profound reality glitches that occur after intense intention setting. Individuals who, against all odds, recover from dire circumstances after unwavering belief and focused visualization, or those who manifest opportunities that seemed utterly unattainable just moments before. These are not isolated incidents to be dismissed as mere coincidence or wishful thinking. They are echoes of a deeper truth, glimpses into a reality far more malleable than we have been led to believe. They suggest a profound responsiveness at the heart of existence. The fabric of reality, it seems, is not a rigid, unyielding structure. It is a dynamic, fluid medium, capable of being influenced by the subtle yet powerful force of human consciousness. These experiences serve as powerful reminders of our inherent creative capacity. We have journeyed from the unsettling responsiveness of everyday reality to the bizarre mechanics of the quantum realm, and through the empirical evidence of mind-matter interaction. We've explored the hypothesis that manifestation is our direct interface with the universe's fundamental code. The synthesis of this evidence, from quantum physics to the pair lab experiments and the eerie cases of reality glitches, points to a singular, profound conclusion. Reality is not fixed. It is fluid, responsive, and potentially programmable. Our consciousness, our intentions, and our beliefs are not passive observers. They are active participants in the ongoing creation of our world. We are not just living in reality, we are actively shaping it. If reality truly responds to intention, if the quantum code can be influenced by our conscious focus, then what else are we capable of? What impossible futures await our deliberate creation? But perhaps the real question isn't what we can create, but whether we've already done it. Every choice, every thought, every intention may be shifting us onto a new version of reality. One subtle quantum step at a time. What will you manifest next? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more stories at Cosmic Enigma.